How to fix Sea of Thieves Season 7 not updating from Xbox app. 1. Sign into both Microsoft Store and Xbox app, with the same account. 2. Ensure your Windows date, time zone, and region are all correct. 3. Clear MS Store cache via wsreset.exe. Application. 4. Update the Xbox app. 5. Uninstall/repair it. Xbox app. 6. Update Windows. Run get apps package alerts for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__install location \fx manifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 8. Start the following system services: IP Helper, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Windows Update, Xbox Live Networking Service, Gaming Services, Microsoft Install Service.